Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add badge text on your images in Divi WordPress website. Here you can see this is my dump website. Let me log in. Just you can add /wp-admin to log in into any WordPress website. After that, in the plugin sections, simply you need to get a plugin. This is called Divi SuperMe Pro. Then you can upload the plugin file here. So let me select the plugin file, and after that make sure that plugin file is in zip format. Otherwise you can get error during plugin installation. So let's wait for few seconds. Once the plugin will be installed, and after that we will be able to activate this plugin. And here you can see this is my enable website design, where you can get various services. Okay, now we can install this plugin. Then you will get a notification to install the light version of this plugin. Simply install and activate that plugin. Now let's go back to the pages, and here we can view this page on the front side. Then simply enable Divi Visual Builder, and the second method is just you can simply click here, then you can enable Divi Visual Builder. And after that, now here you can see Divi Builder is loading. So let's wait for a few seconds, and after that we will scroll down. So now simply scroll down, and here we can find plus icon to add a new regular section. Click here on the blue icon, then add regular section. And then simply we can search for card module. So this is called SuperMe card. Then here you can add any title, for example WordPress web design service. Then you can also add subtitle, then some description. You can remove this, and here you can add image. Just you can simply upload an image from your laptop. In the same way, so now you can see image is uploaded, and now we can change this badge text. So this is called badge text. For example, we can add here web design. Then if you want to remove this title text, simply you can clean this, and after that you can also remove this one. Then for the button, scroll down, and here you can remove button text. Then go to design tab, then here you can see layout and alignment. Then for the image, now here you can see you can easily add border around the image in various colors. Then you can add box shadow. So guys, here you can see we have added a shadow around the image. Then scroll down, these are various other options. You can customize badge text. You can change the color of badge text. Then you can also add some animations. And after that, final step is just click on three dots, then save it. So in this way you can easily add badge text on your image.